What's going on, guys? Welcome to Motorhead, my channel. We're still in Tennessee, Smoky Mountains, and today, unfortunately, it's the last day, and we're going to Cherokee Harley Davidson, and on the way we're gonna hit some nice turns. Fly a drone and see what's good today. Hopefully it's not gonna rain. So right now we're going towards the mountains, and the road we're gonna take on is gonna be between Townsend and Gettysburg, and then we're gonna take a ride down south to Cherokee City, Cherokee, North Carolina. And if it's not gonna rain, we should make it over there. Really beautiful over here. Oh, this spot is awesome. This road is one of the best ones, my favorite. Pavement looks like it's pretty much brand new. The road goes along the river. You got some mountains on the other side. It's sick. And of course, a lot of turns. And some slow drivers. Also, it's pretty cool. Like whenever we drive into the woods, the temperature drops, I would say at least 10 degrees. Perfect. Awesome views. Damn, I'm not sure if it's not gonna rain. I can see raindrops here and there on my visor. Let's hope not. Looks like those mountains were burning. I think that was last year or something. Or maybe 2 years ago. I think 2 years ago. See a lot of burned trees over there. Thank God the whole thing didn't burn out. place is beautiful. Now this turn is gonna be fucking insane. One of the turns in the Tennessee. Too bad that we're going fucking 20 miles an hour. Oof. Can get a little dizzy. Awesome. 360 turn. Maybe on the way back we will be able to go a little bit faster. That's a good spot. Time for the photo. And beautiful. What's going on with my baby? Nothing fall off? Your thing's gonna explode? What's up? Yeah, it's Harley. Started to rain. Perfect. We don't have any rain gear on, so yeah. I don't see any roof over here. Oh, it's gonna keep going, I guess. Fuck. It's very nice that this rain doesn't last over here. And let's hope my camera is not gonna die, because the microphone port, it's not waterproof. At least I don't think it is. And camera door, it's open for that port. So yeah, I don't think I should be using that in the rain. That's nicer. Cherokee City. Yeah, I think we've been here last year for dinner. Over here on the left side. Might stop by today to get a bite and something to drink. Of course, non-alcoholic. That's a pretty cool small city. What? What? Why? Oh shit, yeah, you're right. What? What happened? Oh, yep. Says closed. Closed Monday, Tuesdays. Perfect. We came here all the way from Chicago. It's fucking closed. Perfect. We need a coffee or a beer. So what's up, Monica? You got something? You know which way? Pretty cool small city. Harley Davidson didn't work out really good. The coffee didn't work out. And we didn't get the beer.